how to check a document's SEO on WriteSonic. So in order to do that, head over right here to your SEO tools and click on this SEO checker. Now from in here, you can actually check your document's SEO by clicking on this upload file right here. Now you can upload a document. It can be PDF files up to 10 megabytes. So just click on it and then just put in here your PDF file that you want to upload and then click on this next. Now this will load for a while in order to add your PDF that you want checked. So just wait for this right here in order to finish the loading process. And after that, you can actually tweak your basic settings as well as the keywords to rank for. As you can see, this is my content. Now from in here, you can choose the basic settings, the country that you want to target, as well as content type. So for this one, I'll just choose blog and article and then click on next. And then in here, it will show you the keywords to rank for. So let's put in here dogs, since this is about dogs, man's best friend. And let's also put in here friend. And then let's head over and click on the start analysis. Now this will consume 2 credits. So once you start the analysis, you can actually see the competitors that you actually have. And as well as it will also fetch the competitor keywords that you can use in order to boost your keyword or your article's rank. As you can see right here, the score right now is around 17, which is kind of low. What you can do is you can head over and then improve by using this competitor keywords that they will show you. So that's how you check a document's SEO on WriteSonic. Hope we helped.